Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound dollar did go up and take out the previous highs on the 4-hour time frame. But if you do know that my higher time frame analysis, which if you watch my Saturday video, you know that I think that we are going up potentially to maybe the 1.5 area and maybe even a lot higher. So on these shorter time frames, this is likely going to act as an area of resistance, which is great news for us because if it does make another pullback, that should give us an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of what I still think is likely a wave three. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. We got a nice engulfing move to the downside this morning. So hopefully this is the beginning of another pullback, something like this. If it does make some sort of another one, two, three-way pullback, kind of like what happened back here, which by the way, this took about a day to play out, so it's probably not going to all happen today. But if it does make a nice three-way pullback, that should give us another opportunity to go long for the continuation of this high time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.